Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, July 22nd, 2024. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. And just a reminder, if you could like, share, and subscribe, really appreciate it. Actually helps the channel out quite a bit. And if you're interested in more detailed and more technical information, definitely check out the premium consulting membership, only $15 a month. Now, we start off for this morning with areas of low clouds, a little bit of fog. We had some showers and thunderstorms earlier this morning, right around southeastern Pennsylvania, that produced some localized urban flooding. And that's going to be a theme as we move on through much of this week. It's not going to be a washout all week, but we're going to get these waves of showers and thunderstorms and pop-up thunderstorms as well. And they'll be capable of some very heavy downpours. So some locations will get maybe about half an inch by the time the week is over. Other locations could get 2, 3, maybe even 4 inches of rain if one of these thunderstorms decides to sit right over you. And that's essentially what we started to see already with areas of flash flooding. Last evening, we had an area of flash flooding between Trenton and Philadelphia, right around this area, that produced some very heavy downpours. And the reason why is we have tropical moisture surging northward and these frontal boundaries hanging around the region, basically stationary. So this morning we have temperatures ranging from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the northern interior and mid 70s along the coast. Notice our dew points are increasing, ranging from the upper 50s to lower 60s over the northern interior and upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast. So there's that gradual increase of humidity as well. Taking a look at our latest weather tap radar and surface map, we will just refresh this real fast. Again, we have the stationary boundaries hanging around the region. Those aren't going to be moving all that much throughout this week. And we're going to get these waves of showers and thunderstorms lifting northward. As they lift northward, for example, this afternoon, we'll have widespread showers capable of producing anywhere between a tenth to even 3/4 of an inch of rainfall. But some of these embedded cells, like this one here and this one here, will be capable of very heavy downpours. So this is where you're going to have some pockets of enhanced rainfall. So as this lifts through, it'll be capable throughout this week. On average, you'll range anywhere between a half an inch and inch and a half of rain, which doesn't sound like a lot on average. But if you get into one of these embedded cells and it sits over you, notice they're not moving very quickly, right? They'll be capable of producing very heavy downpours and areas of urban and flash flooding. So it's kind of a hit and miss type of scenario, but I think everyone's going to see rainfall. It's just a matter of whether or not you get hit with one of these heavier showers. But also, I want to stress throughout this week, while every day will feature a threat for rainfall, that doesn't mean it'll be raining all the time throughout this week. You'll have breaks, and in between those breaks, you'll have low clouds and a few pesky isolated showers. But again, it's not going to be a washout all week, but it's certainly going to be unsettled. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see, again, here's our Western Atlantic Ridge. Here's our trough out here. We're kind of caught in between. So all that moisture from the Caribbean travels up the East Coast with these little short waves within this trough interacting with that moisture. And so you get this type of scenario where you get a little bit more enhanced lifting and you get that wave of showers and thunderstorms. So we're going to see that today, tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday. These waves moving through, and in between the waves, pop up showers and thunderstorms. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Again, scattered showers, a few pop-up thunderstorms. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid 80s on the immediate coast, mid to upper 80s everywhere else. Some of these thunderstorms will be capable of very heavy downpours. I'm not seeing much support for severe thunderstorms. The primary threat for this week is going to be that localized flash flooding threat. Tonight into tomorrow, again, periods of showers, some heavier downpours, lows in the mid to upper 60s over the northern interior, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast. For tomorrow afternoon, threat for scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms, high temperatures in the lower to mid 80s over the interior and along the coast, upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. On Wednesday, rinse and repeat. Threat for scattered showers and thunderstorms, areas of low clouds, fog, low temperatures ranging from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the northern interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast. High temperatures, much like Tuesday, in the lower to mid 80s over the interior and along the coast, mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Thursday, rinse and repeat once again with the threat for scattered showers and thunderstorms. Now, this time, the stationary front will sink a little bit further south as high pressure over the Great Lakes tries to push in. So, some of these thunderstorms may be a little bit stronger. Look for low temperatures ranging from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the northern interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 80s. On Friday, that high pressure system pushes southward with the stationary front pushing off the coast. It's going to lead to scattered cloud cover. Can't rule out an isolated shower, but much better. Lower humidity, more sunshine. Look for low temperatures ranging from the upper 50s to mid 60s over the interior, mid to upper 60s in your suburbs, upper 60s to lower 70s in your urban areas. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 70s over the northern interior, lower to mid 80s along the coast. On Saturday and Sunday, high pressure will be in control with tranquil weather conditions. I can't rule out an isolated shower via a trough along the coast, but for the most part, we're looking at scattered cloud cover and quiet conditions with low temperatures ranging from the upper 50s to lower 60s over the northern interior, mid to upper 60s along the coast, and high temperatures ranging from the upper 70s to lower 80s on the immediate coast, lower to mid 80s away from the coast. On Monday, high pressure again will be in control with scattered cloud cover. Again, I can't rule out an isolated shower, but for the most part, quiet weather conditions are expected with low temperatures in the lower to mid 60s, high temperatures in the lower to mid 80s on Long Island, mid to upper 80s along the coast, mid to upper 80s over the interior, and upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley for highs. And that is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day. And as always, stay safe out there.